Hello, my lovely people. Untouchable Mama is back again. I get some little advice for some of our guests them, where they give our fine boy big money, make dem take dey marry them. You will give boy money, make take marry you. You no know say that marriage no go get head. You never hear am before say money cannot buy love. You never hear am before. Una just carry money wey oyibo give una, go give boy wey sit down yo. He go tell you say he go marry you. Don't worry, my darling. Make the oyibo give you, make you bring am come here, we take settle down. You no go ask the boy say whether the hand, whether e dey leak, he no fit find money more na take settle down. Like this girl wey I hear say he give 15 abi 20,000 euro, wey get leg and hand. He give boy. Make the boy marry am. See am, my dear. Just go, I don't know wetin I go tell you. Oyibo give you money. Maybe you tell oyibo say your mother no get house, so na rent dem dey. Oyibo give you that 15,000. Say okay, go give them. Make dem take do wetin dem wan do for Nigeria. You just carry am go give boy. Say because of say the boy say he wan marry you, you go give am. As you go give am now, the boy say no dey marry you again, and you say make the boy come give you money. Very sorry. You use am take play love. The boy no go give you 1 cent. He no go give you for inside. You know say as God wan punish you now, he can't punish you that way. The money not be your own self. Now oyibo na give you. You don't see am because no be say na you work am. Like say you work am, say na 8 hours na you dey do every day. 8 hours you dey do normal job 8 hours. Fear no go let you count 20,000 euro go give boy wey sit down yo. Fear no let you do am because you can't see the suffer wey you dey suffer for there. You can't see as dem take dey use you for there, as dem take dey talk to you anyhow for the work. Before you go give person boy wey sit down yo jejeje wey no dey work, wey just dey there go dey say hello honey darling. Before you go give am even 100 euro, you go first think am how many hours wey you work for that money before you go give am. The boy say no dey marry you now, so you say make the boy come give you the money back. The boy no go fit give you, even though say you wan carry am go court, even though say you wan go swear for am. Now you give am make take marry you. You know say this marriage, you never see say some people when they just arrange say they wan do marriage, after 2 or 3 days they will cancel the marriage. Maybe something no come good again, I mean they cancel it. Dey happen now. So you give am the money now, the boy come think say okay, I no fit marry this girl, I no love am reach, so I no marry you. The money don go. E don go. Now bye bye, na the money tell you. No cry again at all. Now God na just punish you. You understand? Because God punish you for wetin you do that to oyibo. Oyibo na person, na human being. You say you no even get paper. You no get paper. You wan give person money, wanna take settle down. I don't know where some of our guests, I don't know the kind brain wey they get. Wetin make una comot for house? Me, I no even know. You come out for house if you come Europe, say you wan come find money. As you come find money, na so the boy come find money. Una dey use una sense. I beg una. Oyibo give you money. Make you take give your family, make dem take do something for you. You carry, you give boy wey sit down for you. Darling, take. This one go reach us, stay settle down. He no settle you down now. No cry again. He don't settle you down. You no wan marry again. No cry put. How you go marry person where you know say the boy no love you? Okay, you want to say you no know say the boy no love you because some of una if una get oyibo wey dey help una, wey dey give una money. Na so una go get boyfriends for corner. Una go dey tell that boyfriend say hey, my oyibo get money. The boy go say you see really no marry am o, no marry am. Just dey bring the money come. We go use am come take settle. We go use am come to do marriage. That one na good pass now. You go say yes or no make the fucking oyibo. No be say I wan marry am sef. If I don use am finish, I will dump am. You know see, na so God take dey do you. That's not God take dey do you work. You use the oyibo, na God use you for the other side. So make you not cry. If you cry small, you go whether na road you dey go, make you go the road. Whether na oyibo na oyibo house you dey, or make you go sit down for oyibo house again. Maybe God go still do am. The oyibo go still pity you, still dey give you small, maybe 50 euro, 100 euro. Because before oyibo can't that kind of money give you, you don't know the kind of work where that oyibo work before you get that money where give you, where you go throw away for one person. I know cause the boy is too much because you say you want marry, the boy say you want marry you, now make you give am. This one you now you use and say buy love. So the boy not come marry you now, make you not cry too much. Me una dey use una sense because like say na you work that money, you not go give am. Me una dey use una sense. Una no get sense. As you come up for house, say I want come find money for abroad. Our fine boy they still come up for house, say they want find money. What did they make me the vex for our boys? Una come up for house, so una want come find money for Europe. But if una reach here, now our black girls body now for they find the money. The thing they vex me. The thing they vex me. What do you know? Say they not do your sister. May you know they do another person. Because this boy wey carry this 20,000 or 15,000 for this girl, you don't know already say you not go marry this girl. For your inside your mind, you know say you not go marry her because you want use her and make you dump her. You carry the money, you say I not go marry you again. I don't even know wetin dey worry on herself. Like say you see they do am to Oyibo now. I go say na Oyibo. Since you no wan marry the Oyibo, make the Oyibo find a way, make go marry for Africa. You carry that money for the girl, promise her say I will marry you, we will do this one, but you can't tell her say you no marry again. Now the girl na dey stupid pass. Because if you the friend boy, the boy they ask you money. When you dey for Igbo house, the boy they ask you money. Darling, I been want to do this one. Because boy, where they do like that, you no get 5 kobo for pocket. You go they talk say, if you want to do this one, I been want to do this one. Go they tell you, now indirectly they tell you say, may you give her. Now indirect, now they talk and say, may you bring your own, may you give me. And you now you go say, don't worry, honey, I will send and come give you. You know see, if you money, you go give your parents for us. May they say do something for you. Because nobody know tomorrow as you not get documents. If anything fit happen, not to say because you there for Igbo place, so you never married your Igbo. Anything fit happen, they'll just fly you bam to Nigeria. Then that suffer, you go suffer finish it. That then now you come reach this say what you go do for Europe. You not just come here. Oh una waiting make una come out for us. Una just throw all of them because of waiting, because of cassava. The Oyibo will give you that money, not be cassava and still get, because you say the Oyibo tell you say may you marry her. You will not get document. You know if you say, okay, I want to marry this Oyibo, at least I go still get document. Me I dey pity una self. Una no get sense. Common sense una no get. Now the boy where they chop una now una like pass. Some boys they way just they work. It no depend on man. It no depend on women money. You no even know whether you get money, whether you not get. That pecan one, una no they follow them. Una no dey follow. Na the one wey go dey eat you na una dey follow pass. Because if una see the one wey no dey ask una money, una say this one no get level. The one wey dey ask, wey go dey use cutlass, they cut am every day, but they go dey cut am. Now that one now they prefer pass. Now that one now once. The way go chop una. When you go tell una say I know they do again, you go come dey cry say, come give me my money. You know the shame to ask say come give me my money. He put gun for your head, say may you bring that money come. You not see you as you not get sense. Common sense you not get. Not be say you pay, say, this money, I want use and say do document. May I get 2 leg for this country. No. you not do like that. You go give and say, may I marry you. Because they pursue you, they go. Or you both say you say want marry you say no, I want go. Because no see, God punish you now. You go give am the boy, he chop the money. What do you feel do? Nothing. You know feel do. You don't say one carry and go court. You know even feel carry and go. Because una no sign paper, una no get any contract at all. Now gift, now you give am. So my dear, next time they use your number 7. Take the reason. They use am. I don't know whether una get. Maybe una not get am. Maybe they use am take the reason. Before you give any person money, waiting that they call money, I fear you, sha. If you see now, maybe this girl now, his mama they rent, they no fee pay rent, they no even fee eat. But he carry money, give person wey sit down your jejeje. You know if you call your mama say, mommy see Oyibo give me money, mona find land for me. Me I suffer they do am small. And since I never get paper for year before I go get paper. Or may you fight for your document first. First thing, if you come abroad, what you go fight put? Now document na be number one before you go they do anything with because Ogbalegbe fit just carry you straight to your country. Now then you they go. That suffer you go suffer and finish. Like you now, if Ogbalegbe just carry you, now direct. Then they'll just carry you. That's Oyibo, you not even marry you again, self. Because the bank tell you, say, may he marry you. You tell them, say, no, give me money. Then one use and take do something for Africa. You go give cassava where they do it for you, where. The cassava tell you, say, no, they marry you, now you cry. No, just cry. No, come Facebook, oh. No, if you come Facebook, laugh where they go laugh you. Tease where they go tease you. Just close that your mouth. Sit down for inside her. Just the thought say, God, you do well, you punish me well. I be thief for Igbo, me I give black. So my God can't slap you, can't give you, can't give you the waiting good pass. Now he give you so. No cry, come out. Just close your mouth. May you did there. Make una dey use una sense. I don't fair talk and say, make una dey boy wey not dey work. Wey dey ask say, Gali, give me 1 euro, give me 2 euro. Tell am make he carry a bagali, make he carry and go, make he carry a bag. May they go. Say you don't need that. You don't need that. You don't need that at all. Now those ones, they look women hand. Now those ones, they know they walk. If you see them, they will put the trouser for under their waist. If you held a pants where you wear, you go they see and go they fall they go. You know they walk. You don't get anything when they do. If you ask and say you don't go work, you go say work not there. You don't know say work not there for abroad. But our boys, then some of them, then they work 24 hours. Some go get 2 or 3 works, then they go there. Those ones are not the pick am. I not want those ones because now tell them say, oh no, maybe why you not here. I not like am. Hey, it too rough. It not clean, rich. I say you can't put it beers. You can't design. Hey, now those ones now they don't follow. So wait till you see and you go still beer them. I understand. Beer, wait till you see. Because when you go book baby boy, or now while no go where you are. So as you see the person will follow you chopper now. So may you not blame anybody. Now this one where you talk, come and let people know. Maybe you get another 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 where you give them benefit and not let you talk others one come and become now this big one where you give them boy. Now that one now you can't talk come out. I pray may una dey get sense. May una dey get sense. You this girl wey go give boy money, no cry come out as I first talk am before. This more advice now say me I give una. Make una dey reason before una dey do anything. Even though say you go work 8 hours before you go give boy wey sit down in you. You don't know the suffer wey you suffer for there. You don't know Even though say na cleaning work you dey do, even though say na office work, even though say na supermarket you for the work, you don't know how many hours where you go stand for there. All the pain wey go there for your leg, all your waist, all your bone, everything go they pay you before you know reason and before you give person money. Now this more advice now get me I want give you now. I pray may everybody change the way wey they think they do, and especially those boys there, not be all those one where they wait for women money. Mona go find work they do. Mona go find work. Mona forget respect for women hand. Now this more advice I get for all of you now. From Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed, my people. God bless you. Bye.